Let's look how to determine the percent complete. Percent complete. Go back to project. Go back to project. I make split screen. Easiest to key in. Okay, first is percent complete. Of course, 0. Of course, 0. Okay, cut off date 35th of January. Cut off 35th of January. Okay, we get 19%. Yes, correct. After this, you copy and paste here. This is dummy. Dummy. This is value for schedule. Also cost. Copy. This is value for cost. Cost ni schedule. Perancangan. Okay, after that, you need to update the actual inside percent complete column. Insurance sebenar dah siap belum? Setakat 25th of January 100% or not? Okay, 100%. Okay, never mind, 100%. CDB what? 100%. Set clearing. Set clearing maybe increase to 55%. On actual so recurring never mind. Recurring just follow the progress. First work. What about first work? First work. Actual progress maybe 10%. Contoh excavation not yet. How much the variant? 20%. 20%. What about the cost? The cost is 37,725. This is 0 RM. Understand? The variant. How you to determine the variant? Formula J minus 17. Sorry. J. Sorry ya. Okay, akhir project akhir. Yeah, understand variant. Okay, next we try to update the progress. And do use the 0 status 0% status in percent complete. Okay, next update. When? 25th February. 25th February, yeah. 25th of February. Okay, get it? 36%, yes, correct. 36% samaan dengan actual commodity cost 56150. Okay, right. Okay, now copy. This is for schedule. Copy the schedule to schedule column. Dummy, dummy only. This is also with actual. Copy this. Okay, now update the status after 2 month project in progress. Maybe 100%, 100%, site clearance 100%, again mobilize maybe 100%, scope 100%, excavation maybe 100%. Take it as a hit, maybe putting maybe 10%. 10% against 6%, a hit 4%. 4% a hit. 36%. Sorry, 39%. Five, 8, 3, 5, Understand? Ada masalah tak? Boleh faham tak? So far boleh faham tak? Cara nak update ni. So far boleh faham tak? Participant, please give feedback to me. So far boleh faham tak tuan-tuan? Tuan-tuan? Boleh. Mudah. Okay, but yes. The variant is 3.4%. Percent complete. Percent complete is actual. This is actual data. Let's take a look. This is how we determine. In 0 in percent complete column at the project name level. Yang ni yang nak dapatkan S-curve daripada test task usage. But this method not accurate. Not accurate. Not accurate. Let's take a look. Not accurate. Set baseline. Okay, you refer back. To determine status date. I repeat. Determining status date will ensure the generate schedule, physical and financial progress is current for progress reporting. Monthly tracking should be carried out at preferably the same date. Same date. Same date. Step to save accepted file. To updated file. Updated file. Jadi kita dapat updated file. To determine status date. Beri repeat beri status grant update schedule progress. I repeat. Updating schedule progress will generate the progress of the project as planned corresponding to the status date. I repeat. View table, date, tracking view. View table, tracking. Default tracking table will be as shown below. Same, same as me. Same like me. Take a look. Okay. Default tracking table. Project ribbon. After that, update project in status group. Update work complete through radio button. Set 0% to 100% complete. Check the status date and click OK. Make sure the cut off. Cut off. Kalau kita buat S-curve tadi tu guna test usage, dia tak akan keluar cut off date yang accurate. Better we track by manually. Update progress. Siapa boleh faham? Siapa-siapa tak faham? Tuan-tuan, betul soalan? Ada siapa-siapa yang tak faham sepanjang kita buat kelas daripada pagi tadi sehingga sekarang? Ada tak siapa-siapa tak faham? Cuba let's say what any revise revise from original duration revise from duration, select file, insert insert finish variant is 0. This means on track. This project is on track based on original contract duration period. If any changes or revision, example, you need to revise for this item. You need to revise the item to move. You need to move. Insert predecessor. The client said password need to elapse time. Elapse time. Let's see lah. Elapse time. Refer to CKR. Elapse time. What happened? Let's see. Okay. What happen if client need password to be lag time? Maybe got some problem on development order and still pending from authority. The client asks us to revise the program. Lag time, using lag time. The time allocated to delay the start of successors. Work after the completion of predecessor. Okay. Let's say 3 day, client said must delay or lag time about 30 day. 30 day. 30 day. Oh, 30 day. You need to change the processor plus 30 day. Let's take a look. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, I don't know. Warning, don't try to revise your program if the percent complete still have a value of percent. Make sure. Danger. You must set to 0 value of percent. Okay, let's say the client said need to lag time for us work about 30 days. Okay, let's see. 30 days. Now the new date is 9 of July. 9 of July. This is a original date of handing over, and this is a new date. How much the remaining? How much the difference between original handing over date and new handing over date? Okay, this task goes past its deadline on 1st of June. It will be mentioned in indicator. Why? Because we already set at deadlines inside task information. Okay, let's take a look at finish variant. Finish variant, 33 days. Need to catch up. 33 days need to catch up as a recovery plan. 30 days. Understand? Any question? This 33 days we determine as a variant between finish date minus baseline finish. 33 days need to recovery plan. You need to come out lah. So far okay, boleh. Okay, baik. Understand ah? You understand all? Okay. Let's take a look. What happens if the program in under revise mode? Open to your program. If your program is under revise mode, revision mode. Index. Resource planning, project information, resource planning, resource and information. Resource. Okay. I explain to you about resource planning. A little bit. This is data sheet. Data sheet. Bit of data. All the data you can get from BQ spec drawing, then site visit. Can resource planning. Take a look at resource planning. Set baseline methodology. Financial skill. Okay, for it. Okay, I will explain to you at the early morning. You see, fixed cost accrual. This you can get at resource sheet. Fixed cost accrual defined as how the payment is made for each activity. By default, this project assign the prorate accrual for fixed cost start or end. Method also can be used depending on contract requirement. Start is mean payment made at start of work. Prorate, payment made accordingly to work progress, month by month, week by week, year by year. If agreement is month by month, just follow month by month, prorate. And payment made at completion of work. Understand? The settings more. Because setting cost data. Okay. Cost estimating. If you don't have any BQ, okay. Cost estimating involves developing approximation of the cost of the resource to complete each scheduled activity. Estimate should include first all expenses involved in initiating implementing and commissioning project, e.g. labor, material, subcons, equipment and facilities travelling, allowance for in-house and external resource, allowance for inflation and contingencies. Cost budgeting. Cost budgeting involves aggregating the cost estimate of activities and establish the cost baseline for the project. How to set the cost? Understand? Cost. Key in cost for each activity in feed cost column. Refer table 1.3. Cost must be key in only at the subtask level. No need to key in at summary task. Only subtask level. No cost for milestone and external dependency activity. For milestone, no need to include. And external dependency activities. No need. Project total cost must equal to project contract sum. Total cost. Okay. Take a look. Let's see. Let's see. Contract cost. This is a contract cost. Then total cost. Must be the same. Try that. See total cost. Total cost. Cost fix. Feed cost. Total cost. Feed cost. Total cost. Sure. Total select. Only have total select. Oh, maybe different. Manuals JKR refer to version 2010 Microsoft Project. I'm using 2013 version of Microsoft Project. Okay, never mind. So far, okay. Any question? Any question? Any question? Any question? Correct. Time. Theory resource. Schedule development. Calendar. Setting vertical path. Spreadsheet. Setting. Okay. Let's refer this. Schedule compression. Schedule compression is a form of mathematical analysis that's used to shorten the project schedule duration without changing the project scope. This technique should be applied to critical activities. Schedule compression can be applied in two conditions. During planning stage, to ensure the project finish date is equivalent to contract finish date. Compression. Duration, execution stage to ensure that the recovery plan, if there's any delay, to meet the contract finish date. Ini ada kaitan recovery plan ni dia ada kaitan from finish variant total duration, to determine how many finish variant you have. And they say 70 days. 70 days you need to recover. You need to properly recovery plan to catch up. Sebab nak catch up balik nak catch up balik yang contract duration period asal nak catch up balik. Sebenarnya handing over date. As long you dah full swing you dah hard work to catch up. If cannot, need to apply EOT. There are two techniques to perform schedule compression: fast tracking and crashing. Fast tracking, a technique where the link or relationship may be modified so that tasks may be carried out concurrently or working in parallel. Ini kira fast tracking ni maksudnya full swing. Sebelum ni maybe ada satu geng saja disebabkan delay. Jadi klien minta kita buat satu contingency plan, iaitu dengan kaedah fast tracking. Jadi kita kena shorten ataupun work as concurrently, try to expedite the task. Maybe crowded kan. Before this we have only one gang. After fast tracking we need add more 2 gang, total 3 gang. Set of work also have a 3 set. Concurrently work and for work not yet started. Focus on task not yet started. Maybe it can help you. Example, infra or local external work. Contoh, water rack, drainage system, sewage system, cabling, installation, sunrise, anything you can work as long not disturb any others main work especially external work especially external work infra. Crashing technique. This is a technique that increase the resource capacity to decrease the task duration at minimum cost. This technique that increase the resource, capacity sumber meningkat untuk kurangkan duration dengan cost yang minimal. For tasks that have not started or task in progress. Involves time and cost. Increase productivity. 4M. Money, machine, manpower, material. Full swing lah. Kena full swing lah. Kan? Tak boleh ikut momentum yang dulu lah kan. Kena perform lah. Mungkin momentum yang dulu mungkin nisbah dia 1:1. Apabila berlaku delay, you kena restructure balik lah. Mungkin nisbah dia jadi 1:2, 1:3. Kalau tak, you akan mengalami delay ya. Delay bertambah delay ya. Setting project deadline. Tadi kita dah setting kan project deadline kan. Before perform schedule compression, project deadline must be set accordingly to the contract finish date. Tadi kita dah set kan. You klik task information, advance, lepas tu set. Boleh kena klik dekat ni lah, project handing over lah. Macam tadi kita buat tadi tu. Kita buat tadi tu kan. Deadline dia. Pergi dekat. Tu kita ni. Highlight. Kan highlight. Double klik. Lepas tu pergi ke advance. Kan. Lepas tu klik. Ni deadline dah. Deadline. Nanti dia akan keluar simbol lah. Ada simbol tu. Simbol milestone putih. Ini adalah asal. Baseline milestone. Faham? Baseline milestone. Yang ni. This task goes past. Sorry tak nampak. This task goes past its deadline on 1st of June. Dia akan keluar notification. Dia akan notify dekat column indicator. Boleh faham tuan-tuan? Any question tuan-tuan? Any question? Sekarang dah 3.56 tuan-tuan. Saya nak minta tuan-tuan kemukakan soalan. Kalau tuan-tuan tak kemukakan soalan, saya akan tunjuk berdasarkan apa yang pada slide ni ya. Kalau ikut memang banyak tuan-tuan, banyak. Tapi kita hanya tumpu kepada kursus kita tu lah. Based on yesterday, a basic, and by today is intermediate. Any question? Tuan-tuan, any question? We can share together. Irman, you have any question, Irman? And any participant involved with JKR project can contribute. Can contribute. Let's say fast tracking technique. Step to apply fast tracking technique. For example, kerja struktur block A. Kerja struktur block A. Here, ID 17. Was planned to start after kerja tanah block A complete. In order to reduce the project duration, decision was made to start kerja struktur 15 days before kerja tanah finish. 1. A lead time of 15 days was applied to the kerja struktur block A. Indicate as ni dekat predecessor 18 apa dia? ID 18. Oh, kerja tanah. Kerja tanah block A finish to start earlier 15 days in the predecessor. Kalau fast tracking teknik dia percepatkan. Repeat fast track technique for the critical task as appropriate until all options are executed. Teknik fast tracking teknik. Tengok percepatkan. Dia percepatkan kerja tanah di zon blok A. Yang mana yang follow ni pun dia akan percepatkan. This is technique, fast tracking technique. Fast tracking technique. Refer to figure 3.38. The project finish date was 2nd January 2015. After the fast tracking technique, we still late than the deadline set. Crashing technique will be applied for further schedule completion to achieve the actual project finish date. Crashing technique ni dia punya calculation lah. Crashing technique. Crashing technique. Okay, tuan-tuan, ada apa soalan? Ada apa-apa soalan tak? Tuan-tuan, ajukan soalan tuan-tuan. As long I'm not alone here. As long I'm not alone here. Please throw your question. Any question? Deadline. So far okay or not? So far okay or not? Okay. Sorry, Ani. Anything you have, any question, you can tag me. You tag me. Text me. You can text me. And you also can add me at Facebook. Facebook link. Also you can look ini example class on YouTube link, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, Tumblr, Twitter, Pinterest. And also LinkedIn. You can follow me at LinkedIn. Need to try independently. Okay, nice. Any question? Tuan, kita punya sesi bergambar pukul berapa tuan? Sesi bergambar kita pukul berapa?
Dalam 4 suku tuan.
Oh, 4 suku. Okay, baik. Any question? If you don't have any question, I need to proceed. Any question? Okay. No question. Okay. Let's explain you a little bit. How to adjust the OT. How to adjust the OT. Impact cost. Revise. Okay, let's say let's say before that you need to identify first, justify which task you get EOT or not get. Example, land acquisition, scope not change, time change, cost not change, can apply EOT. Service relocation task, scope not change, time addition change, add more, cost not change, EOT. VO number 1, kerja tanah, scope of course change, scope of course change, VO, time also, cost also can apply EOT. This is how this template is show you how you to arrange the table for analysis of change request. And if you involve with KKR. Work omission. Kerja arkitek at Blok Asrama. Scope. Revise. Time also change. Cost also change. Cost akan decrease, berkurang. Time also akan berkurang dan scope also akan berkurang. Betul. Tapi you cannot apply EOT because this work is categorized as a omission. Workers lay off. Need to hire new workers for M&E at Block Academy. Scope not change. Time change. Cost not change. Delay. Fault. Mancon. This is considered non-excusable delay. This is considered as excusable delay. This is also excusable delay. Excusable delay. Late delivery of material. This is also mistake from contractor. Non-excusable delay. Contractor cannot apply EOT. Additional public holiday. Scope not change. Time change. Cost not change. Can get EOT. Understand? Open accept work from safe. Remember, if you want to revise, you need to use accepted file. Don't use update file. Don't ever use update file. Must use accepted file. Why? Make sure the percent column must be valued in status 0%. All must be 0%. After that, you can revise.